In a peaceful jungle, Batuk the bear was known for his honesty and wisdom. One day, a clay pot near the river broke, and the animals began blaming one another. The monkey blamed the deer, and the deer blamed the rabbit. The jungle grew tense and unhappy. Batuk calmly gathered everyone and explained that hiding the truth only creates fear and mistrust. Hearing this, a little squirrel bravely stepped forward and admitted that he had knocked the pot by accident. Batuk praised the squirrel for telling the truth. Instead of getting angry, the animals worked together to fix the pot. Peace returned to the jungle, and everyone felt lighter and happier. Batuk reminded them that truth brings respect and harmony. Morale: truthfulness builds trust and keeps relationships strong. Please subscribe